A brand new Air Max 90 in the colorway metallic copper is being released by Nike. The legendary 1999 Celery Air-Tuned Max is honored in this new release. Its combination of metallic copper, dark russet, and black gives sneakerheads a contemporary yet nostalgic vibe. The metallic copper Air Max 90 features a combination of leather, mesh, and synthetic overlays. The base is made of black mesh, and the overlays are encircled with metallic copper, which gives them a glistening, high-end appearance. The eyelets and logo are highlighted by dark russet highlights, which give the upper depth. Classic black for the outsole and midsole provides a solid foundation that highlights the metallic accents. This sneaker's semi-translucent gum outsole pays homage to the late 1990s fashion trend. The shoe is aggressive, yet adaptable thanks to its lovely retro-inspired feature. The Air Max 90 metallic copper is a standout piece whether worn casually or dressily.